Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Honda Activa 6G has finally arrived, continuing its legacy as one of India's most loved scooters. Known for its reliability, performance, and value for money, the Activa has long been a household name. With the 2025 model, Honda brings in subtle yet meaningful updates that further refine the scooter, aiming to deliver a smoother, smarter, and more fuel-efficient ride. At first glance, the design of the 2025 Activa 6G maintains its familiar silhouette, which many riders appreciate for its comfort and practicality. However, look closely and you'll notice sleeker chrome accents, sharper lines, and an overall more modern aesthetic. The scooter now gets LED headlamps as standard across all variants, adding a touch of premium appeal while improving visibility at night. The fit and finish remain top-notch, and Honda continues to show its strength in producing refined and reliable machines. Under the skin, the 2025 Activa 6G is powered by the tried and tested 109.51cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, now tweaked for better efficiency and lower emissions. The engine is now compliant with the latest BS7 norms, keeping it future-ready. Thanks to Honda's advanced DISP, enhanced smart power technology and silent start system, the Activa 6G continues to offer a quiet, vibration-free experience with improved pickup and smoother acceleration. The fuel efficiency has seen a minor bump, and real-world figures are expected to be around 50–55 kmpl, making it one of the most economical options in its segment. One of the biggest highlights of this update is the inclusion of a fully digital instrument cluster in the higher variants, which now displays real-time mileage, distance to empty, and Bluetooth connectivity for call and SMS alerts. This addition brings the Activa closer to the tech-savvy generation who seek convenience alongside performance. The lower variants retain the analog setup, catering to those who prefer simplicity and affordability. Honda has also worked on improving the ride quality. The scooter retains the telescopic front suspension and 3-step adjustable rear suspension, ensuring a smooth ride over urban roads and speed breakers. The 12-inch front wheel and 10-inch rear wheel provide decent stability, and the combi brake system with equalizer continues to be a strong safety feature, ensuring balanced braking performance. Storage remains practical, with 18-liter under-seat space that can comfortably fit a half-face helmet and other daily essentials. The external fuel filler cap is retained, which makes refueling easy without opening the seat. Another welcome feature is the new smart key system, allowing for remote start, anti-theft alerts, and keyless access, something that's usually reserved for premium scooters. Price-wise, the 2025 Activa 6G sits slightly higher than its predecessor, starting around a superscript 178,000 showroom for the base variant and going up to a superscript 186,000 for the top-end H Smart model. While this may seem like a premium for a 110cc scooter, the features and trust associated with the Honda brand make it a worthwhile investment for most buyers. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Activa 6G doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it polishes it to near perfection. It stays true to what has made it India's best-selling scooter while embracing technology and small improvements that enhance the everyday riding experience. For commuters seeking a reliable, efficient, and comfortable ride, the new Activa 6G remains a top contender in 2025.